This is the Perforated House. It's a home that breathes, a studio for musical aspirations, and a habitat for relaxation.
My name is Lim Cheng Kui, the principal of AR43 Architects. The house is nestled in the northern side of Singapore and epitomizes a private refuge in the midst of a bustling city. The project was completed in December year 2020. The surrounding neighbourhood is homely, restful, with several readily accessible parks for relaxation and retail facilities within walking distance. The brief was to design a house that would maintain a certain level of privacy for the owner and yet still being open to greenery, ventilations, and natural light. The new house was detached from its neighbouring semi-detached house, made possible given its generous plot size to allow more opportunities for ventilation and natural lighting. The house was conceptualized as an elevated box made of solid outform concrete, with abundant pockets of green spaces woven into the interior spaces. The language of perforation was also used constantly throughout the house as an architectural feature to control the level of privacy, light, and ventilations. The open layout of the living spaces reflect the owner's warm hospitality and lifestyle, ensuring that they have the flexibility and expanse of space to host guests frequently. A good flow of inside-out and outside-in spaces provide a seamless environment for guests to interact in larger groups, while pockets of quiet corners provide a much-needed intimacy among closest friends. The more private spaces were elevated off the ground level, and the green spaces act as a buffer between the inside and outside, shielding the interior spaces from street noises and passerby. The interior spaces extend towards the surrounding greenery, blurring the boundary between the inside and out, bringing in good natural lighting as well as ventilation. In spaces where more privacy is required, vertical angled sunshades were purposefully designed to allow morning light to filter in, yet limiting views from the neighbouring houses. In his personal time, the owner, a retired engineer, spent most of his time playing a variety of musical instruments, hosting a few iconic pieces of his personal collections. An acoustically designed music studio was built with the intention to allow for performances and jamming sessions without disturbing the neighbours. Like an origami, the rooftop open space was spliced from a typical roof form, extending the garden space from the family lounge to the attic level. This quiet hideout beneath the roof is where the owner can enjoy an afternoon tea while enjoying the panoramic sunset view of the entire estate.